Ako po si Fernando Alcanas. Nakatira po ako dito sa Tracy, California. Ang aking asawa po ay si Merly Alcanas. May tatlo po kaming anak, si Jessica, Jocelyn at Jennifer. Ako po ay transport driver.
The story of Fernando dates back to the early 1900s when the Philippines was still a territory of the United States. Dionisio, Fernando's father, was a young 19 years old when he was recruited to work as a farm worker in California. He arrived in the United States on May 20, 1929 and worked at Woodland, California as a farm worker. When World War II started, Dionisio was recruited to join the U.S. Army Transit Service and work for the ship's quartermaster. He devoted his time aboard the ship during World War II and endured enormous sacrifices. But after the war in 1946, Dionisio was repatriated back to the Philippines. Unknown to Dionisio, he would no longer be able to return to the United States after spending 17 years of his life as a migrant farm worker and serving under the U.S. Armed Forces. He was neither a U.S. citizen nor was he a permanent resident, but he was at that time still hopeful that his family would someday live the American dream with him. Fernando witnessed how his father struggled to seek recognition from the U.S. government for his services. He never gave up on his dream to go to the United States. Dionisio finally was afforded the opportunity to apply for U.S. citizenship as a World War II veteran in 1992 because of the Immigration Act of 1990.
Sabi ng aking tatay, dadalhin ko kayong lahat doon, pero namatay siya na hindi man lang ni-recognize ng Amerika.
Fernando felt his father's pain and suffering for half a decade, seeking recognition for his services under the U.S. Armed Forces.
Pero ang aking ama po ay nagsilbi sa bansang yan. Sinakripisyo niya po ang kanyang buhay, alang-alang sa kapakanan ng bansang yan. Nung bata pa ako, sabi niya, pupunta kami doon lahat. Kaya lang, siya po ay namatay, na nag-aantay ng benepisyo na ipinangako ng inyong gobyerno.
He vowed to fulfill his father's dreams. On November 24, 1991, Fernando applied to become a seaman himself.
I went there when that ship landed in America because it is a move to get justice. My father died without tasting America's promises.
Entering as a seaman and staying without legal status was the start of his tumultuous journey in the United States. In 1996, Fernando came to the realization that his decision to violate the immigration law by staying without legal authority was wrong.
Noon pong 1996, merong mga ahente po ng ating immigration service na tinanungan ako kung meron akong permiso sa paghahanap buhay o work permit o green card. Wala akong naipakita kaya ako'y kinuha at ako'y sumailalim sa deportation proceeding.
His arrest was the beginning of Fernando's trials and tribulations as an undocumented immigrant. He was wrongly advised to apply for a frivolous political asylum.
Nung nag-file ako ng asylum, hindi tinanggap. Ako po ay na-deny.
Fernando was ordered deported on June 2, 1999, but he appealed this order. 2 years after, he married his longtime partner, Merly, who was then a lawful permanent resident. A petition was filed by Merly on behalf of Fernando in 2001. The petition was filed in 2002 and was approved in 2005. In 2007, Dionisio sought assistance from a different counsel, and in 2009, he was represented before the immigration court.
Ako'y binigyan ng options na ako'y uuwi at doon ako mag-i-interview o kaya ako'y madi-deport. Siyempre po, ayaw kong ma-deport sapagkat hindi ako makakabalik ng 10 taon.
Fernando opted for voluntary departure. The legal option of voluntary departure was the best option available since Fernando was not covered by the 3 10-year bar. While this remained his best legal option, he had his fear and apprehensions about this legal step.
Alam ko na napakaraming tao dito sa bansang ito na umuwi na hindi nakabalik. Hindi ko po alam ang kanilang sitwasyon, subalit sa pangungumbinsi ni Atty. Sa akin, ako'y pumayag. Sapagkat alam ko na alam niya na ang aking asawa at mga anak dito ay kailangan ako. Kung sila ay nagdurusa dito, kumaan doon ay magdurusa din. Alam niya yan. Kaya nga po, yun ang pinakamahirap na yugto ng aking claim ng benefit of immigration sa Amerika. Gaano katagal? How long, Daddy? Ang sabi ko, maybe next month. You got to pray. Yan po ang aking tagubilin sa kanila. Pero ang totoo, sa isip ko, hindi ako makakabalik.
He took the courage to take the voluntary departure nonetheless.
Narinig mo ang sabi ng judge, eligible kang bumalik. Hindi ka haharangin ng 10 taon kapag hindi ka deported. Yun po ang assurance ni attorney sa akin, kaya ako ay naglakas ng loob.
While in the Philippines, he was seized with fear of the possibility of not being able to return to his family.
Noon po ako sa panahong nasa Pilipinas po ako at nag-aantay ng aking pagbabalik sa Amerika. Ako'y araw-araw nakikipag-usap ako sa aking mga anak, aking asawa, sa pamamagitan po ng cellphone. Bottom line po, napakahirap maiwalay sa mga mahal sa buhay. Napakahirap mag-isip na kung ano na ang kanilang kalagayan dito. Meron ba silang kakainin at masisilungan? Yun po ang aking iniisip araw-araw.
But he kept his faith and trust in God and in the legal system until...
Sa loob ng 3 buwan, natanggap ko po ang aking visa na pwede na akong bumalik. Laking tuwa po at ang tinawagan ko agad ang aking asawa na nandito at naghahantay, aking mga anak. At pinaalam ko sa kanila na ako'y makakabalik na at laking tuwa nila. Sinasabi nila sa akin, ang tagal mo naman bumalik.
After many years of struggle to remain in the United States and finally choosing the legal route, he eventually became a legal resident in 2010 and is now a U.S. citizen.
Ang pagbabalik ko po sa bansang ito ay masasabi kong pinakamasayang yugto ng aming buhay bilang pamilya sapagkat napakarami po naming ambisyon, napakarami po namin ahikain para maging maunlad o matatag sa bansang ito. Lalo na po ang aking mga anak. It's all for the kids. Proud to be here in America and be a part of America.
With his father as his inspiration, his determination to fight for what is right, he claims now to be living his father's dream. I am here to continue that dream as my father told me to fight for it, because we deserved it and because it was promised by the United States of America, whose government is famous for justice and human rights.